You have set a boundary. You have decided that for now, you will not be available for the noise outside, nor for the demands of others, nor to give explanations you yourself do not yet fully understand. This solitude is not an emptiness that has fallen on you. It is a refuge you have built with your own hands. You have closed the door because sometimes the only way to truly be well again is to stop trying to look okay in front of everyone else. Being here in silence is the only way to hear what is really hurting. It is your right to withdraw while your wounds are closing. There is no rush. The world can wait outside a little longer. The body understands silence. It knows that in order to heal, it needs stillness, just as we sleep to recover from a fever. Notice the weight of your arms and legs. They feel heavy because they no longer have to defend you from anything, nor carry you to any meeting, nor hold any posture. Let your back rest completely. Feel how the place where you are is holding you. Your breathing is like quiet reconstruction work happening on its own. You inhale what you need. You exhale what no longer serves you. Slowly, without forcing the rhythm. The tiredness you feel right now is real. Do not try to remove it. Let your body sink into it, because it is in this rest that healing begins. There are things that can only grow in darkness and silence, like a seed beneath the soil. No one sees it. It seems as if nothing is happening, yet that is where life is being formed. God understands that your solitude today is that necessary ground. Think of God not as someone watching your retreat from afar, but as the craftsman working on what no one else can see. While you rest from others, He is tending to your wounds, cleansing the past, and strengthening what was weak. Being alone to heal is not wasted time. It is the time when you stop trying to fix yourself and allow His hand to place each piece where it belongs, without the noise outside interrupting. God, you know what has brought me here and what I need to heal. Thank you for understanding my need to be alone and for not judging me for it. Heal what is broken while I remain in silence. Give me the patience not to leave this refuge before I am ready. Be the peace that surrounds my room tonight. I remain in your hands, trusting that time and your presence will do the rest. Amen. Do not think about tomorrow or what you will have to do when you leave this place. That does not matter right now. Only this moment of stillness matters. You are doing the right thing by taking care of yourself. Let go of control, rest, heal.